Well, hello, friends and followers. The electrical mystery continues on my Drake R4C receiver. I don't have sideband. And this T11 here, this transformer, this IF transformer is critical to the product detector, which will, as the name states, detect SSB signals. So I tried to own this thing out and figure out how it works. And it didn't quite make sense to me in the radio, so I pulled the thing out. I didn't want to pull this thing out, but I thought, well, let's pull it out and examine the internals. And I found these little wires were shellacked on here, and some were crossing the other wires. I'm not sure if they were shorting or not, but I pretty much put them up in the air so they wouldn't be crossing each other. I don't think that'll fix my problem, but it's worth a shot. Since I already had this thing unsoldered, I figured just pull it out and go through it. So it doesn't look like, you would think they would wire these things like the center pins are center tap, and the two outer pins are not center tap, or are the ends of the primary and the secondary. But if you look at the colors carefully, it doesn't seem to be the way they have it wired. Anyway, this is deeper than I wanted to go into repair of this radio. But I think when I cleaned it, I thought maybe the cleaner, I was using Mrs. Meyer's lavender cleaner. I thought maybe it would get in here and maybe short this thing out, but it doesn't. I don't think so. It doesn't look like it was corrupted in here a whole lot. I did see all the wires were crossing each other, so yeah, even there, I uncrossed that wire. It would be great to put some type of insulation in here, but I think anything I would use would melt the wires worse. So gonna put it back together, clean it up, and leave it alone. See if the radio works when I put it back in. I doubt it changed anything, but it's worth a shot. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Again, this is T11, and something else you'll notice that's interesting is they have a big ferrite core in this thing, which I thought was pretty wild. Yeah, there it is. So this core covers up the transformer. I guess it goes over it like this, which I thought was pretty wild. Anyway, this is a 50 kc transformer, so I guess it needs some inductance. That would go on like that. All right, so I'm going to, as they say out here in the West, get to putting this together and putting it back on the radio and see if it fixes it or not. I guess if this thing doesn't work, I can put a whole new detector in this radio, build one, or maybe buy an old one from Sherwood or somebody that has one floating around. I don't want to put days and days though into making a detector. Okay, well, that's what SDRs do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.